Welcome back to social science class. And today's our topic. It is from political science, right? Yes. Yeah, yes. Melvin, you are correct. Okay. So it's the first session for our political science. Okay, right? So listen, everyone. Please note down. There are 4 chapters are there for this year for you people from political science textbook. 4 chapters are there. Afsana, are you writing there? How many chapters are there? 4 chapters. And mark those chapters. The first chapter it is power sharing. What is that? Power sharing. Mark that. Power sharing. Mark it. Write down. Heidi, Haya, Rosebi. Okay, turn on your cameras, please. Okay, next one. Second chapter it is federalism. 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 Fifth chapter it is political parties. Political parties. Political parties. Tick that one, mark it. The last and final chapter, the fourth chapter, it is outcomes of democracy. Outcomes of democracy. Outcomes of democracy. Mark that. Okay, these are the chapters for this year so far as per the present syllabus. These are the 4 chapters for you people. Power sharing, federalism, political parties. Okay, outcomes of democracy. Outcomes of democracy. Clear? So, how many of you really like political science classes? I mean, the subject term political science. How many of you like really? Huh? So, what is your comment about political science? Tell me. Arjun says yes. Rosebi says yes. Pratyush yes. Okay. So, tell me, what do you know about? Melvin Martin says yes. Okay, fine. So, what is your opinion about this political science as a subject? Okay, Ashik Bhatteri. Okay, tell me why you like all these things. I mean, this particular subject term to political science is an inevitable part of social science, right? Okay, it's an inevitable part of social science. Clear? So today's political science is tomorrow's history, right? And yesterday's politics is today's history. Yes or no? Are you agreeing with that statement? Are you agreeing with the statement? Yesterday, that what happened. Okay, what happened in politics? That's what today's history. And today's politics is tomorrow's history. Tomorrow's a history. Clear? Yes or no? That's a connection between political sense and history. Political sense and history. Now, I am asking you people to give me feedback about this subject. Okay, how you learn in this subject? What you are expecting from, or what are you expecting from a political science class? And how can we communicate with the society? Tell me. I'll ask to different people individually. Okay, the first question goes to, okay, I will ask to, okay, Pratyush. Tell me, Pratyush, what do you know about political science? And what are you thinking about this subject? Can you hear me? Hello, Pratyush? Pratyush. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Okay. Can you hear me? Hello?
Deal with a lot of situations happening around us.
Okay. Then,
We'll be able to get more knowledge about general
what?
things.
Okay. Then,
As you said, today's history is the futures. Today's politics is the futures history.
Okay, accepted too. Fine, good one. Right, I accepted. The same time, how many of you are reading newspapers regularly on a regular basis? How many of you are reading newspapers? Ashik, Melvin, Arjun, any others? Okay, so sad. Okay, let it be. Anyway, okay, Haya. I am traveling, so I keep my camera off due to okay, okay, fine, no problem. Okay, let it be. So remember. So political science is a part of our life, right or not? So directly or indirectly, every day we are involving in different political situations. Clear or not? Hmm? The food that what we are eating, the news channels that what we are watching, the movies that what we are enjoying, even the music, everything has its own politics, right? Clear or not? So politics is not a political party's activities in the country. Clear or not? It's a thing that basically making us to live in the society. Clear or not? So various types of politics you are able to find that. Okay. So in your class also you are able to find different sort of politics. Groups are there, right? Right or not? Clusters are there, yes or no? Or can you say that your class is all together a single group? How many of you are able to say that? So the class is a single group? Hmm? Yes or no? The people with the same ideas. Melvin says yes. Okay, the people with the same ideas, same attitude, same mentality, same taste. Is that correct? Huh? Is your class a single group? If you are thinking about our culture, language, okay, religious attitudes, I mean, religious faith, okay, different attitudes are there for different people. So we are able to divide, right? It's a combination of different people with a different mentality, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Of course it is. Of course, Ashik, it's a system. So we are the part of the system. We are part of the system. And the system is running the entire system that exists. Clear or not? It's a little confusing, right or not? A little confusing, right or not? So just imagine the entire world, the entire humanity, okay, entire humanity, a single society, right? We are humans, right or not? We are humans, right or not? Me, you people, those who listening in this class, everyone, okay, the humans, a single society. Are we able to divide the society? Are we able to divide the society, the humanity? On the basis of, okay, on the basis of continents, we are able to divide. The first division, continental division, right? Okay, not continental division, division on the basis of the continents, right? So 6 divisions are there, right? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, yes or no?
Yes,
How many
sir.
divisions? Who is this?
6.
Who is this? Someone is not agreeing with my answer. I told you 6 divisions are there. Someone says it is not 6, 7 are there, right? Who is that? Tell me who is that? Your answers are welcome. No problem.
7 continents.
7 continents are there, right? That's not the problem. Okay, let it be. So is that a inhabited continent, the Antarctica? That's the question. Is that? So broadly, we are able to divide it into 6 categories, right? Clear or not? Okay. So we don't want to use any what a 6th or 7th, 8th senses to understand the common things. Okay. So it is not inhabited, right or not? So I use the term what 6 divisions are there broadly. It seems clear. Okay. Let it be. So again, coming to Asia, we are able to divide it again on the basis of countries, right? Yes or no? Countries,
Yes,
divisions.
sir.
Different countries are there. Of course, we are able to divide on the basis of countries. Again, repeating: Afsana, Nirupama, Vishnu, okay, Surya, Heidi, Amina, Nas. Okay, please turn on your cameras. Keep the cameras on Okay, you don't want to save the data. Okay, your parents will arrange it. Okay, don't worry about the data. Okay, consumption of your data. Okay, let it be. So remember, again, we are able to divide that on the basis of countries I told. Next one. In a country like India, again, we are able to divide on the basis of linguistic states, language-based states. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes,
Almost
sir.
all the states that in India, it is formed on the basis of language. Linguistic states are there. Okay. So, Savio, tell me, what is the language of Maharashtra?
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra mango.
Hindi,
Huh?
Marathi,
Marathi. That's the local language of that particular state, Marathi. So, they will speak Hindi too. Right or not? And what is the language of
Telugu,
Telangana?
Telugu,
It is Telugu. Okay, fine. Telugu, right. And what is the language of Goa, Aditya Nair? Come on, Aditya. Come on, fast.
Kongani.
Kongani. Yeah, Savio told us Kongani, correct answer. Kongani. So different states that formed on the basis of different languages. So we are able to divide. So coming to Kerala. Okay. So the entire world to continent, continent to the country, country to the state. Now we are here at Kerala. Are we able to divide the state again on the basis of what? What?
Yes.
Not that one. Okay. Let it be. That is an administrative division. Let it be. And we are able to divide on the basis of religion, right?
sir.
Okay. So what Ashik told is correct only. District in the sense, again, three cultures are there. The Malabar culture and the Central Kerala culture and the Southern Kerala culture, the Travancore culture, right or not? Cochin, Thiruvananthapuram and Malabar. That's also correct only. On the basis of the culture, we are able to divide it. Okay, fine. So on the basis of religion, we are able to divide the state again, right? Within the religion, subcastes are there, right or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? Yes, of course, subcastes are there. So within the subcastes, okay.
Rich and
So rich and poor, another division is there. Rich people and the poor people. Very good. Rich people and the poor people. And the division is there. The people, those who like, okay. Nissa, Nissa, what is that? Isia, right? Isia. It's boring, right? Isia?
No.
No, okay. So she started yawning there. That's what I'm asking. The Nisia, is this boring or not? Okay, so and the basis of your likes. The people, those who like vegetarian food, the people, those who like non-vegetarian food, those who people like football, the people like cricket, and in football, the people like Messi, the people like Ronaldo, like that. Thousands of divisions are there. Clear or not? So we are part of a society. What kind of society? The people with a different culture, different language, different religion, right or not? And it is our responsibility to respect each and everyone and want to lead a good life in the society by mutual understanding, right? Right?
Sir.
Political science teach that. Political science teach that. Okay. In this class, here you can see there are 33 students are there. Sorry, 32 students are there, and I am the 33rd one. Okay, clear or not? And I am also a student only, right? I am a student of political science too, right or not? Me too. Okay, I am learning new things regularly. So we are the students of political science, right? Clear or not? So it is a never-ending process. Learning is a never-ending process. So we 33 people, we are coming from different families, right? Different families. We are different. Like, how we are different? On what basis we can say we are different? The food that what we are eating, clear? The religious faith that we are following, clear or not? Yes or no?
Family based.
On the basis of family, social, social, economical, political. Okay, some families are there, they're like the party called BJP. Some people are there, they're like Congress party. Some are there, CPM, and some are there, no political party. Which party is won, that party is our party. Like that attitude also is there for different people, right or not? Okay, so like that, various types of people are there. So it's a diverse society, Everywhere we are able to find a diversity. Badra? Badra is thinking that this class is like the cracker work in Trishur, right? Are you able to understand the things there?
Yes.
You are observed that the cracker work in Trishur, you will say Puram Vidikita, right? Okay, nothing of that. If you are unable to grasp or unable to understand, you can ask me, right? Okay. So, like we are living in a society like that. We have everywhere diversities are there. Diversity. Okay. So not only in India, almost all the countries facing the same problem. Okay. Their minority will be the minorities are there and one majority will be there. Minorities and a majority. So we are the students of political science. We are not thinking about, or we are not that much enthusiastic about understanding the religion of or thinking, or what we can say, we are not anxious about the religion of our neighbor, right or not? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Or your classmate, are you anxious about that? Huh? I always ask which is your religion, on which caste you belong to. Will you ask such questions? Anyone? Should not. Okay. So for us, all religions are equal. All the castes are equal. So we are giving a humanitarian consideration for each and every individual in this world. Melvin Martin is going to sleep, I think so. Melvin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So listen carefully. So if I'm saying about myself, I studied from UG. I mean, sorry, not UG. What we can say, UKG, right? UKG to PG. Okay, UKG. Okay, kindergarten to post graduation in Christian management schools and colleges. Christian management schools and colleges, right? Fine. And I'm born in a Hindu family. Born in a Hindu family. So and certificate, I'm a Hindu, right? Okay, but where I studied Christian management, schools and colleges. The same time, in my friend list, I have a number of friends. Basically, they are from Muslim community, right or not? So the thing is, we will discuss about various religions. We will discuss about various political parties. But for we people, there is no political party. There is no religion. Okay, understanding or not? So that concept should be there always with you there. Understand? If I'm speaking about something bad about one religion or one caste or one, what do you can say, one political party, bad in the sense their practices. Okay. So you don't feel anything bad, right or not? Right or not? So we are not the part of any religion now. We are not the part of any particular caste now. And we are not the part of any particular political party. Okay. We are analyzing the situation. What is going on? What is going on? Right. Now you understood one thing. What is that? Society, it is divided. It is a divided. Clear or not? Clear or not? So in almost all the societies, we are able to find one thing. Okay. Who will lead the society? Who will lead the society always? Huh?
Leader or the person who is elected.
Oh, okay. That's a democratic setup, right or not? If there's no democracy, let it be. Leave that. Another condition, who will lead the society? The
Government.
powerful one, right? Okay. Everywhere we are able to find that the muscle power and money power. Muscle power and money power, that people will lead the society except in democracy. Clear or not? Okay. Except in a democracy. Fine. So it is too important in a democratical setup. Power should be equally provided for everyone. Clear? There's no question of majority and minority. Power should be equally divided for the majority and the minority. Everyone want to enjoy the power. Everyone want to enjoy the wealth. Everyone want to enjoy their life. So it is necessary and it is compulsory. What? Power sharing. Power sharing is a compulsory and it is necessary. Then only we are able to make a world where there is no inequality. There is no inequality. Would you like to live a world where there is no inequalities exist? Or where equality exists?
Or
Tell me,
exists.
tell me, tell me. What do you like? You want a world where rich and poor, okay? Do you want a world like that? Or a world where everyone, all are equal?
All are equal.
All are equal. Egalitarian society. Okay, egalitarian society. Is that possible? Is that possible? An egalitarian society is possible?
No.
I mean, economic equality is possible? Savio told something. Savio?
That according to the people who's ruling.
Yeah. their spending capacity and their economical, what you can say, decisions are different. Decisions are different. So we can say that it is not that possible. It is not that possible. Economical equality is not that possible. But governments are always trying to create or reduce the difference between the rich and the poor. Rich and the poor, right? Okay, that's what I'm coming to speak about. Okay, so in this chapter, in this first chapter, basically we are discussing about a condition called power sharing. Power sharing. So if there is a majority in a society, okay, always the society will go related with the attitude of that majority, right? Yes or no? In your class, girls are more in number. What will happen? The teachers will always listen the words of the girls, right? Right?
sir.
Okay. If boys are more in number, tell me.
Teachers will listen to them.
That time also teachers will listen the words of the girls only, right? It is called to be, what is that? What is that? You like that? No, right? Let it be. So we want equal power division. Equal power division. Okay, okay. So power should be divided equally among the majority and the minority. So that's what the chapter says. Power sharing. Power sharing. So in this chapter, there are two different situations are there. Okay. And both these, that is in two countries. One is Sri Lanka, the other one is Belgium. What is that? What are the two countries here? One is Sri Lanka. What is the specialty of Sri Lanka?
It's and some
Sri Lanka,
Near to India.
near to India, fine. It's a neighboring one. Then
Island country.
it's an island country, good. Then Hmm? Which strait separate India and Sri Lanka?
Park Street.
Park Strait. Very good answer, Ashik. Then what are other name of Sri Lanka?
Ceylon.
Ceylon, the old name, fine. Then
Yeah.
Adidev, correct answer. Then teardrop of Indian Ocean. Teardrop of Indian Ocean because of the shape of that island. Okay, teardrop of Indian Ocean. Like that, various names are there for Sri Lanka. All right. Okay, clear. But in this chapter, you're studying about a problem that existed in Sri Lanka. Okay, a fight between two groups of people, the majority and the minorities, Okay, that led to numerous problems within the country, basically termed as a civil war. What is that? Civil war. Okay, so civil war. So the government became a failure, or government failed to solve the problem between the majority and the minority. So it returned into a bloodshed civil war in their country called Sri Lanka. Okay, clear? So Sri Lanka. So because of this division, there was a problem at Sri Lanka, and that led to numerous troubles in that country. Okay, the same time, another one country, that is Belgium. What is that? Belgium. Okay, it's in Europe. Okay, the capital of Belgium is, any answer? Capital of Belgium is the capital of the European Union. Anybody know that answer? Someone told that?
Brussels.
Brussels, correct answer. Brussels. Okay, very good. Okay, it's Brussels. Then, what do you know about Belgium? Belgium is famous for? Famous for what? Belgium is famous for Belgium chocolates. Belgium got diamonds. Okay, like that, various things are there. Yes, of course. Okay, so Belgium. So Belgium also faced the same problem. Okay, different groups of people are there in Belgium. Linguistic groups, clear or not? On the basis of language, we are able to divide Belgium. So on the basis of language also, majority is there and minorities also are there in Belgium. The Belgian government solved the problem between the majority and the minorities in democratical terms. Okay, so they solved that issue between the majority and minority without a bloodshed, without any bloodshed. Okay, That's it. Just to keep that idea in your mind. So we are studying about power sharing in democracy. Okay, the case studies are there. One is related with the Belgium, the other is Sri Lanka. Other is Sri Lanka. In one country, power sharing created problem, and other countries solved the problem with the democratical terms. Okay, so that's it, democracy for we people. Why democracy? Why democracy? Democracy is to accommodate everyone. What do you mean accommodation?
Unite.
Giving chances, giving a room for everyone, right or not? Giving a room for everyone, all the different people in the society. Clear or not? Okay. So without any gender discrimination. Okay, without any gender discrimination. How many genders are there? Two, one, three,
3.
2, 3, Savio, correct. 3, right. Male, female, others, transgenders also are there, right? So this world is for them, them too, right? So if you are going to fill a form, okay, an application, you can see these 3 things there today, right? Clear or not? Male, female, transgender, right? So 3 genders are there. So this world is for them too. Clear? So just understand that. Clear? So that kind of different types of diversities are there. So democracy giving room for everyone. Okay, all are welcome. Okay, all are equal, and you have same dignity in the society. Clear or not? And same rights in the society. Clear or not? Okay, so that's what democracy. So democracy is always try to, or they're ready to solve the problems. Okay, but sometimes it will face some failure too. So we will discuss that also in this chapter, power sharing. Power sharing. Please open your textbook, everyone. Power sharing. Okay. So here you can see the map of Belgium. Okay. So the first phase, I mean, page number 2 says Belgium and Sri Lanka, 2 different countries. Okay. So Belgium is a small country in Europe. You can see that, right? You can see that Belgium, a small country, and you get divided. Okay. Brussels, the capital, the orange color one. Okay. The Wallon region, that is French speaking people, the Flemish region, the Dutch speaking people, and the German speaking region. Here it is, the German speaking region. So how many different groups of people are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 different linguistic groups are there in that country. Okay, tell me which group is majority? Which group is the majority one here?
Speaking.
The French
French.
speaking people, the French speaking people, right? The French speaking people. The same time, the Dutch speaking and the German speaking, they are the minorities. Just understand that. Okay. So Belgium is a small country in Europe, smaller in area than the state of Haryana in India. Okay. It has borders with France, Netherlands, Germany, and Luxembourg. It has a population of a little over 1 crore. Okay. So what is the population of Kerala? Any idea? The population of Kerala,
100 crore.
100 crore. India altogether, it is nearly 140. Pardon? 20? No. It is in between 3.5 to 4. What is that? In between 3.45 to 4. That's the population of Kerala. Clear? Okay. But see, the Belgian population is less than 1 crore. Clear? Less than 1 crore. Okay. Yeah. Hence, Steve, give me answer. It is 3.46 crore. Is Google is working properly. So fast internet is there for him. Okay, let it be. Okay. If you're getting answers with this decimal number, easily you are able to find that you have a good network connection. Anyway, it is not BSNL. Okay, let it be. Thank you, Mr. Hen Steve. Right, Hen Steve? Tell me the connection. Hen Steve. Hello, can you hear me? HEINSTEEV. It is Hen Steve, right? Please suggest your connection. So it's a very super fast one. Tell me. It's a okay. So connection interrupted. Let it be. Okay. So come back, guys. Okay. So here it is. The Germany and Luxembourg, it has a population of little over 1 crore. About half of the population of Haryana. The ethnic composition of this small country is very complex. What is that? Ethnic, it's an important word for us now. Ethnic composition, ethnicity. Here you can see ethnic composition. Okay, a social division based on shared culture. People belonging to the same ethnic group believe in their common descent because of similarities of physical type or of culture or both. They need not always have the same religion or nationality. So, ethnicity means the people may share the same culture, clear or not? Same descent, same origin, clear. They need not always have the same religion or nationality. Okay, but not same religion and nationality, but same origin, Okay, clear or not? So we know that we are Homo sapiens, right? That's what the scientific name of we people, Homo sapiens. So before that, number of other groups also are there, right? Clear or not? So it is termed as today for this understanding. What do you mean ethnicity? Coming to India, we come back to India. Okay, so we'll discuss about Indian context for easy understanding. There are different groups of people are there in our country, right? Different races are there, right? Different ethnic groups are there. How can we identify them? Okay, for example, I can say that three basic groups are there. Aryans are there, Dravidians are there, Mangaloids are there, Anglo-Indians are there. Okay, clear or not? Negroids also are there in India. Negroids also are there. How can we recognize these people? How can we recognize? Okay, come in the case of Mangaloids. Mangaloids. Okay, that people are looking like the Chinese.
Physical look.
Yeah, the physical appearance. Okay, what is the physical appearance? Appearance there, the protruding jaws. Okay, the jaws are protruding ones, little bit protrude outside, clear. And the narrow, what will be there? Eyebrows are there, right? And uplifted eyes will be there, right? Short nose, right? Short nose. And yellowish, I mean, pale skin tone will be there. Pale skin tone, right? Yellowish skin tone will be there for that people, right? Yes or no? Easily we are able to identify. Clear? If there is a war between India and China, just imagine the Indian military will face a lot of problem. Why? They want to kill the same person for thousands of times because almost all the Chinese people are looking alike, right? A confusion will be there. I already killed this person. Again, where from this fellow coming again? Okay, the confusion will be there, right or not? That's a problem with the Indian military. Clear? So let it be. So Melvin Martin, you understood this one? Melvin thinking there. How this will work? Okay, Melvin. Okay, don't want to think that much. Okay, come back. Okay, so there's a problem. So that people are termed as Mangaloid. Basically, our northeastern states of India, Orissa, we are able to find such kind of people, right? Okay, clear. They're Indians too, right? And coming to the Aryans of North India. Okay, almost all the Bollywood stars, they are belong to the Aryan race. Okay, what is the speciality? They are tall people, right? Okay, the average height is almost 6 feet. Okay, tall feet people and fair complexioned skin. Okay, okay, fair complexion means what? White in color. Okay, the skin tone is good. Okay. Skin tone is a whitish skin tone will be the fair complexion is there, and a long nose, right? Narrow lips. Okay, clear. And black hair or brown hair. Irish is different than the other groups. Clear or not? Irish is different than the other groups. And coming to South India, we belong to another group. What is that? We are Dravidians. Are using this term? We are in the sense South Indians, right? Dravidian. Okay, what is special of Dravidians? Their short horn, average height is 5.6 Dravidian, and the thick black hair, brown or black iris, thick hair on the face, right? Clear or not? And the thick lips will be there, thick lips, clear or not? Short nose, right? And almost a round face structure will be clear. And tell me, I'm an Aryan or a Dravidian. Right? I'm a Dravidian, right or not? And what kind of complexion is there? Dark complexioned skin. Now you got the, what do you mean, ethnicity, right? Right or not? Clear or not? So racial differences, a common origin will be there. Okay, if you are living in different states also, our origin is almost the same. Clear? Understand? That's what ethnicity. Okay, but today it is not that much easy to find out because of cultural intermixing, marital or marriage alliances. Okay, that made a number of changes too. Okay, clear. Come back. So here, the ethnic composition. So I thinking that you got this word, what do you mean, ethnic? Okay. Of the small country is very complex. So ethnic composition or different groups of people are there in that country. Of the country's total population, 59% lives in the Flemish region. Okay, 59% living in the Flemish region, where the people basically speaking French language, French. Another 40% people live in the Wallonia, okay, Wallonia region and speak French. Sorry. Okay, Walloon region they speak French, and in the Flemish region they will speak a Dutch language. So please observe here clearly. 59% lives in the Flemish region and speaks Dutch. Okay. Another 40% people live in Wallonia region and speak French. Okay, clear. So not in the geographical region, but in the number of people. Clear. Okay, so you can see in the map. Okay, for the coming to the map, there is some differences are there in the first look, but coming to the or discussing with the number of people, this is the reality. Remaining 1% of the Belgians speak German. Okay, clear? Clear? So in the capital city of Brussels, 80% of the people speak French, while 20% are Dutch speaking. In entire country, Dutch speaking people are more and the French speaking people are less. But in the capital city, Brussels, okay, majority people speak French and the minority speak Dutch. Clear? Just opposite, opposite. Clear?
Yes,
Okay, just
sir.
understand that. The minority French-speaking community was relatively rich and powerful. But the speciality of the French-speaking people, they are the minority in the country, but they are rich. They are rich and powerful. This was resented by the Dutch-speaking community, who got the benefit of economic development and education much later. That created problem for the Dutch-speaking people. They got education and development later or after French people receive so. Okay. This led to a tension between the Dutch speaking and the French speaking communities during the 1950s and 1960s. 1950s and 1960s. Okay. The tension between the two communities were more acute in Brussels, that's the capital, right? The problem between the Dutch speaking and the French speaking people, it is very acute. Okay. So that is too much problematic in the capital Brussels. Brussels presented a special problem. So what is the problem of Brussels? The Dutch-speaking people constitute a majority in the country, but a minority in the capital. We already discussed that. Okay, clear, clear. Okay, let us compare this to the situation of another country, Sri Lanka. Okay, so just read this much. 1 minute. Listen carefully, everyone. Just read that. All of you read the first 3 paragraphs. Okay, so the things are simple here. What you understood here? Brussels, a small country in Europe. The population is less than 1 crore. And there are 3 different ethnic groups are there. One is the Dutch speaking, okay, French speaking, and the German speaking. And in the country, the number of Dutch speaking people, it is more than the French speaking and the German speaking. But in the capital city called Brussels, their situation is just opposite, where 80% of the people that are French speaking and 20% other Dutch and German speaking, right? Clear or not? So there's a problem. So which country, which group is the majority here in the country?
Flemish,
Okay, their language?
Dutch,
Dutch speaking people. But in the capital, it is the French speaking people, right? So there's a problem. What is the problem here? The Dutch speaking people had a feeling. What is their feeling? You know, the French speaking people are well developed, they are powerful, they are rich. Okay, and the Dutch speaking people, they received all these benefits education and development after the French received. So, okay. So there's a tension between these groups of people, Clear? Clear? Okay. In this chapter, we want to learn how the government means the people of the same country only, right? Clear or not? They solved the problem between the Dutch speaking people and the French speaking people. Okay. So this is termed as power sharing. What is that? Power sharing. Clear or not? Okay, giving equal opportunity for all these groups of people or giving participation for these groups of people in the government. Clear or not? Giving chances to them in participating in the decision making process of the government. So democracy, we know that the most important function of the democracy is what? Decision making, right? Clear or not? Making
sir.
decisions for the development of the country is the most important function of a democratical government. Okay, so listen, guys. Today this much enough. So you read the textbook properly. So understand the situation. There is no homework today. Just read it. Okay, and a small work I will give. So read this paragraph also. Okay, up to the majoritarianism in Sri Lanka. Up to here, you have to read and understand the situation. Next class, I will ask it. Clear? Clear? So
Yes,
read
sir.
it and analyze and understand the things there. So we will meet in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.